First of all, I will point out that this process works on Android, iPhone, doesn't matter, okay? First of all, you need to click on Facebook and log into your account, the account that you want to delete, birthday wishes. Then you need to click on the last option right here at the top right corner, okay? And you click and you swipe down until you find settings and privacy. So click on top, okay? And you will see on the first option settings. Click on top again. But the option that interests us is notifications. So what you need to do is search notifications, okay? Notification settings, right here, click on top. Here you need to swipe down until you find birthdays. Click on top, and here you can turn off all these options, okay? So if you don't want to receive notifications for upcoming birthdays, turn off, belated birthdays, turn off, and so on, okay? You can also turn off in general. So if you want to turn off, just click on this button and turn off. If you want to delete from your timeline, you come to your profile, okay? So I will come to my profile, and you need to swipe down until you find the option, the birthday wish. Click on these three dots, and you can delete the post clicking on move to trash, okay? And that's it, you deleted birthday wishes on Facebook timeline. I hope I help you how to delete birthday wishes.